I can see that you're running from a situation when you need to take a decision. It is a transformation time, so do not worry and do not be haunted from the past. Whatever has happened in the past, probably it is just keeping you stuck to take a decision. पर आपको ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं करना है. Pick up your courage, take step further. Okay? Pick up your courage and do what is right for you because you are being able to see also. This is a transformational time. नाउ इसमें पहले की चीज़ें ख़त्म भी हो रही हैं और नई चीज़ें आने भी वाली हैं. इस समय आप ज़्यादा करके पीछे ज़्यादा सोचने की वजह से थोड़ा घबरा रहे हो स्टेप फॉरवर्ड लेने के लिए. सो एडवाइस है, प्लीज़ लुक फॉरवर्ड. चाहे वो वर्क सिचुएशन हो, चाहे रिलेशनशिप्स को लेके कुछ डिसीजन लेने हो, हेल्थ वाइज कुछ सोचना हो, मनी वाइज कुछ आपको ट्रॉमास हो, वट एवर इट इज़, you are being asked to take courage and move forward. All right, so I'll read a channel message for you, which is from your loved ones, God, spirit guides, angels, whomsoever you resonate this with. Dearest you, isn't it amazing how things seem to come around again, full circle, in ways you could not possibly have planned? You wonder how a dream could die only to be resurrected years later when you are really ready. You thought it was time back then, but your wisdom knows better than your small self, whose desires are unmet. Now here you are with a new opportunity to do the things from a different, more mature perspective. We want you to trust that in this new opportunity for rebirth, you will be called in two directions, and the one that is unfamiliar will be the right one. As I already told you, this is actually resonating with the reading that we got already. So this is a transformative time. There might be dreams that you might not have achieved them in past, but now is the time. But you'll get the choices. So take the choice anyways. Okay, do not get haunted by the past that last बार ये नहीं हो पाया था या ये मैंने ऐसे किया था तो नहीं हो पाया था. So there's nothing to be worried about. Okay, your loved ones are also giving you encouragement, so move forward. In the unknown spaces, the uncharted places of infinite potential, we are waiting to guide you into your fullest life. Big bounty will come if you remain in the present. You have come full circle, and now you can see that everything changes, is made new, and is given new hope. Loving you always. Alright, so we'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.